Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my year of savings binder with $100 in prop money. So let's get into it. It is just crazy to believe that the year is almost coming to an end. We be rocking into 2026. All right, we are doing our every Friday of 2025. November 7th is the Friday we are saving for. And this money goes towards extra payment towards debt. So $7. Perfect. Next, we are doing the weekly savings by Norella's Budgets. And this is saving for my son's senior year. So I am rolling a D8, $1. All right, so $1 is going in for this week. Next, we are doing Save with Judy. This is save $5 a week, $300 for the whole year. So and it goes towards my son's senior year also. So let's color in some pie. Let's make this a cherry pie. Let's make it a cherry pie. I think that is orange. Let's try that again. Make that a good old cherry pie. Let me know down below, what is your favorite pie? My favorite pie is, I love a good cherry pie. I love sweet potato pie. I love pumpkin pie. And I love me some strawberry rhubarb pie. Chef kiss, so good. So let's add in our $5. Perfect. Next, we are doing this saving challenge, which is also saving for his senior year. And you can find this in my Etsy shop or in my Kofi. And I am rolling a D20 to see how much I'm saving. And we got an 8. So we can shade in at 8. And I did budget $20 for this. So what I'm going to do is, let me put the 8 first. 8. And then I am going to, should I roll again? I should use my D12. Let's get my D12. Okay, let's see how much we're going to put in here. Another 8. So since I already crossed off 8, I am going to just put 8 here. And that's how I plan to do that. So if I already crossed it out on the page, I'm just going to put that in these blank pages here. So that's another $8. So that is, what is 8? That's 16? Yes, 16. So 5, let's do 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. 15, 16, 17, 18. Not 18, I need 16. Lord have mercy. $16. 10, 15, 16. So $16 is going into here. Love that, love that. All right. Next, we are going to save $2,025 in 2025, created by the Almost Organized Aisle. And look at here. Let's see. I was going to plan to do these last 3, 18, 14, 16. Let's see. We got 48, 45, 6, 7, 8. Yay. And unfortunately, this goes towards my taxes. But hey, I am glad to get this finish ahead of time. So let's go ahead and color this in. So let's do a purple here. It's coming a long way. Let's do, I don't know. Let's do these two colors. Yeah. So let's do that one. And let's do, should I do a red? Let's do a red right here. Perfect. So that's $48. Look at that. I completed all these down here. Now I need to do the scratches. So that's $48. And how much we have left? We got 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Should I do at least one scratch? Should I do this? Yeah. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, hold on. I gotta get my scratcher. Where is my scratcher? Right here. Whew, I'm nervous. Should I do this one or should I do another one? I don't know. Yeah, let's do this one. I'm scared because I don't know what the denominations are under here. Here we go. 25. Did I got $25? Oh, we might have to say this for next week. Because I was thinking about scratching one and then so I can scratching them a week before I have to stuff it so I know how much exactly to save. So hold on, let me see if because girl, you done bit out too much. You can chew. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. No, that's 23. And I'm not doing no IOU. So what I'm going to do is I scratched this one so I know next week I know to put $25 in here. I should got a sticky note, but I'm going to remind myself. So I need to put $25 in here for next week. Should I just do 2 of them? Let's do 2. So I know exactly how much next week to put in. So let's go here. Ooh, so $35 is going to be put in here for next week. Yeah, I think I'm going to do it that way so it won't be a surprise. I know exactly how much to budget for. Y'all like how I switched that up real quick? Switch that up. All right, so $35 is going to go in here next week, and then we'll scratch 2 more, and then we keep doing it that way until we completed the whole thing. Yes, that's how I think I'm going to do it. So what am I going to do with this money that's left? Let's put this to the side, and let's go here to fill the jar created by NASA Budgets, and this goes towards vacation. So I'm thinking I should just put the rest of this in here. So this was 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, $23. So let's do $23 worth. So let's go this 5. Let's do 5 here. Let's do another 5. Some gumdrops. So that's 10. Let's do another 10 for 15. Let's do one over here. What else I had 20. So what I do 15 so far? Right? Oh Lord, I done lost. So I did 5, 10, yeah, 15. 15. Let's do another 5. Do got another 5. So let's do 20. When I said 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I need to color in a 3. Let's do this 3. And let's do a yellow. Let me use the other yellow. And it says $100. Perfect. So that was $23. 5, 10, 15, 23. Okay. So $23 is going into the filler jar for vacation. I need to condense this. All right. So I am so happy about our progress. And like I said, make sure next week I will bring the $35 for this. And then we will scratch 2 more. And we will just keep doing that until we finish all the scratches and get our $2,025. Yes, ma'am. All right, gems. That is it. That was $100 put into our year of savings. Thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.